Colleague joins me on this very development that is taking place as the United Front of the India opposition confirms the pick for their vice presidential candidate. India bloc announces the name of B Sudershan Reddy. Opposition's big announcement comes even as the NDA's pick CP Radhakrishnan has been declared as the pick by the NDA for the vice presidential post. Now, some information on B Sudershan Reddy, who is the ex-Supreme Court judge who has been fielded by the opposition, while Mallikarjun Kharge, the Congress president, said that Justice Sudarshan Reddy to file the nomination on the 21st August. Now, let me also get some information by my colleague Anand Singh joining me live. Anand, over to you.
Yes, Simran, look, the India bloc consisting of the Congress and several other opposition parties today held a detailed meeting at the residence of Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, who is also the leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha. So clearly, last evening also the India bloc partners had met at Kharge's residence and there was no consensus on the name. However, today, once again, this meeting happened in which 3 to 4 names were discussed, in which it was finalized that B Sudershan Reddy, who is the former Supreme Court judge, will be fielded against NDA's candidate CP Radhakrishnan. So clearly, this is a fight between the NDA and India bloc, as the India bloc has just confirmed that how B Sudershan Reddy will be its candidate for the vice presidential election, as this election was necessitated after Jagdeep Dhankar resigned on the very first day of monsoon session on July 21, and then Election Commission, after receiving the notification from the Ministry of Home Affairs and after acceptance of Dhankar's resignation by President Draupadi Murmu, it announced the new schedule for the election of Vice President on September 9th. So clearly, the India bloc today mentioned that it is going to field V Sudershan Reddy in this VP elections, where the India bloc the majority will be trying to win the election, as he said that he is the person who has always stood by the constitution and he has talked about democracy. So clearly, the India bloc partners have been mentioning that how the government is trying to change constitution and it was trying to subvert democracy. So clearly, this is why they have fielded as to the V Sudershan Reddy in this upcoming vice presidential election. And if we talk about the numbers in the for the VP elections, then the numbers favor the NDA, as they have around 422 out of 394 that is required for the majority in the for the vice presidential election, as the NDA alliance has 293 in the Lok Sabha and 129 in the Rajya Sabha. So clearly it has got the upper edge, but the India bloc leaders will be trying to give a tough fight to the NDA candidate. Back to you, Simran.